Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alliz Creative Designs, where the world of creativity is activated. In this tutorial we'll be learning how to do single crochet. If you are not yet comfortable making chain stitches, please go and watch tutorial 1. The link is in the description below. Here we are making 20 chain stitches. Upon completing the 20 chain stitches, we will make an additional chain stitch, which will be the starting point for our row of single crochet. To make the single crochet, we're going to place the hook in the next chain stitch, pull through the thread, wrap the needle and pull through. In the next chain stitch, pull through the needle, pull through the thread, wrap the needle and pull through. Pull through the needle in the next chain stitch, pull through the thread, wrap the needle and pull through. So we're gonna pull through the needle in the next chain stitch. We're gonna wrap the needle and pull through again, and we're gonna do that in every chain stitch to the end of the row. Wrap and pull through. Again, we're gonna put through the needle in the next chain stitch, pull through the thread, wrap and pull through. And this is how we make single crochet. Congratulations! We have come to the end of tutorial 2. and now you're able to make single crochet. Tune into our next video when we will learn to make double crochet. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, and share this video. Peace out, guys. See you in the next video.